Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can place a trade on your Etoro. First of all, go on to Google Chrome browser and then log into your Etoro account like I already did. Now after logging into your Etoro account, you'll be on this kind of page. Here on the left hand side you can see all of these options. If you are not seeing this option and in your screen it is like this, simply click on this arrow button and you will largen up. Here just go on to the discover option. After going on to discover, you can see that you will be transported to a different page where now you are able to explore crypto, stocks and EFTs as well. Click on any one of the choice that you want to trade or place a trade on. Here I'm going to show you for stocks. You can choose whatever you like. And here I will go on to Alibaba. And there's an option for trade. Now to place a trade, simply click on trade and you'll be automated to the buy option. Now select the amount and configure your settings and then click on buy and you'll be able to place a trade on your Etoro. This is this video and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.